Yo, what's good, guys? What's good, guys? Another beautiful day today in Thailand, and this video I want to talk about is inner counsel, okay? And inner counsel is a talk within yourself with representatives from a committee, let's just say, that guides you to do what you want to do and achieve, okay? And where did I learn this concept in a council? I learned this concept in a council from Think and Grow Rich, and this book has a lot of gems. And if you read this book, I've read this book about 3 times, and every time I read it I learn more, because I've got and gained more experience over time, which has then allowed me to see what is written in a different perspective. So inner guidance, what is this? So inner guidance is having, let's say, 4 to 5 people that you look up to, aspire to, dead or alive, and you can ask yourself, what will this person do if they were in this situation? And you can look and see what they've done in history or a time in that experience to then guide you to do something of a similar nature, okay? And right now it may sound very literal, it may sound very, precise, but over time you will almost be psychic and have these feelings that come to you, and it just allows you to guide, it allows you to do and guide you with your goals that you're trying to achieve. It's something I've done, it's something that I use all the time, because right now I live in Thailand, so I don't particularly have many people that I would speak to back home, for example. So over time I've just learned that, well, I need to get through this situation and I can't necessarily speak to someone right now. What am I going to do? And I've been using this own inner talk within myself to help me navigate, okay? And it's something that I've always been using. Actually, before I even read this book, I've been doing this, I've been using this concept. I speak a lot to myself, I trust myself more than anybody else, because at the end of the day, how can somebody give you advice if they've never been through that same situation or know the dynamics of the situation? No one can really help you, no one can really guide you. And although we may have mentors that can help us in life, we have to help ourselves. We need to listen to ourselves, because it's only us that can guide us through that situation, okay? And you by doing this also, you can feel intuitively within yourself. They say trust your gut. If you've read Becoming Superhuman by Joe Dispenza, there's reasons why the word trust your gut is even a thing, because our gut has millions of cells that are receptive to our emotions. And it's literally something I've done. I've just trusted my gut, I've trusted my mind, most importantly, to help me do what I need to do in that situation, okay? So inner counsel, how can you use inner counsel? Whatever field you are in, I want you to write 5 names of people that have excelled in that field that you are in, okay? Write down 5 people's names. Write what their special quality is. Mental quality, let's say a mental quality. What is something that you see? Are they tenacious? Are they determined? Are they resilient? Are they, do they always bring the cat out of the bag? Do they always deliver? And say that you want to even have 10% of that, or 20% of the same thing that they have. Because if you can even, let's say like you want to be Jeff Bezos, right? And you go online and you find out his daily routine. If you can do 10% of Jeff Bezos's daily routine, then you're gonna get somewhere by default. But we can push ourselves higher and say we want to do 100% of what Jeff Bezos does in a day. Even if we don't get there, at least we aim high. And if you fall short, you fall short, but you're gonna learn something and you're going to excel in whatever that you've learned. So yeah, this is just a quick video about inner counsel and why we can use this concept to guide us without having to always ask for mentorship, always asking for help. If you like this video, please like it so YouTube can recommend this to anybody else. And if you want to speak to me personally about anything, just hit me a DM on IG, okay? So yeah, I've been living in Thailand for a while now, and I know some people may be looking to live abroad or may be wanting to live in Thailand. And if anybody has any queries about that, just let me know. Peace.